You hit the gym, you eat clean, but you still feel tired, weak, maybe even less like a man. The truth is, none of that matters if you're not sleeping right. Your sleep controls your testosterone, your energy, your libido, and even your muscle growth. Could your nightly routine be secretly destroying your hormones? Let's find out. 2. Loop. What you'll learn. In this video, we'll uncover checkmark. Why sleep is the foundation of hormone health checkmark. What happens to your testosterone while you sleep? Checkmark. The silent damage. Poor sleep does to your body, and simple fixes to turn your sleep into a natural hormone booster. This might be the missing piece to your entire health journey. 3. Connection points. Let me ask you, ever wake up feeling groggy, sore, or drained? Even after 6 or 7 hours in bed? Do you feel your strength fading, your mood dropping, or your drive disappearing? If yes, you're not broken. You're just sleep deprived, and your hormones are paying the price. Sleep is not just rest. It's when your body rebuilds, recharges, and produces hormones. Let's dive into how it all works, and how you can fix it. 4th secondary. Hook. Here's a shocking truth. Just one bad night of sleep can drop your testosterone by up to 15% the next day. Imagine what weeks or months of bad sleep is doing to you. Let's break down what's really happening behind the scenes. Sleep and male hormone health. Why sleep affects your hormones. Sleep isn't just rest, it's hormone repair time. During deep sleep, your brain sends signals to release testosterone, balance cortisol, stress hormone, support growth, hormone production, regulate insulin for metabolism and fat storage. If you cut your sleep short or don't reach deep sleep, these signals don't fire correctly. What happens to testosterone during sleep? Here's what happens when you sleep properly. Around 2 to 3 hours after falling asleep, testosterone levels rise sharply. Peak production occurs during the first REM cycles. By morning, your testosterone is at its highest, helping you feel strong, alert, and ready. But poor sleep, yes, interrupted, REM, lower testosterone, and this leads to low energy, poor workouts, low libido, brain fog, belly fat, the dangers of sleep deprivation. When you sleep poorly, here's what happens inside you. Testosterone drops. Cortisol increases, making you store belly fat. Insulin sensitivity worsens. More cravings, less muscle. Growth hormone decreases, less repair, more fatigue. Even just 5 hours of sleep per night for a week can cause mood swings, less sperm production, slower recovery, poor performance, physically and sexually. Long term, this can even lead to low T hypogonadism, erectile dysfunction, depression, metabolic disease. The muscle and fat connection. You may hit the gym hard, but if you're not sleeping 7 to 9 hours, you're not building muscle, you're just tearing it down. During sleep, growth hormone is released for repair. Muscles rebuild and grow. Fat is burned during deep sleep. So, if you're skipping sleep, you're literally skipping your gains. How to improve sleep for hormone health. Here's your step-by-step, hormone-friendly sleep routine. 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 2. Make your room a sleep cave. Dark cool, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Quiet, use earplugs or white noise. 3. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin, your sleep hormone. 4. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m. It stays in your system for 6 to 8 hours. 5. Don't eat heavy meals. Late food raises insulin, which lowers growth hormone and disrupts sleep quality. 6. Limit alcohol. Alcohol may make you sleepy, but it destroys REM sleep and testosterone production. Natural supplements for better sleep. Only try these after fixing your habits and check with your doctor first. Magnesium relaxes your nervous system. Ashwagandha reduces stress, supports testosterone, glycine, helps cool your body for deeper sleep. Melatonin, use short-term, only if your sleep cycle is off. L-theanine, calms the brain without drowsiness. Natural doesn't mean magic, but paired with good habits, they can support deeper, hormone-restoring sleep. Morning routines to protect testosterone. What you do when you wake up also affects your hormones. Try this. Get sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Resets your circadian rhythm, cold shower or splash. Boosts alertness and blood flow. Protein-rich breakfast supports hormone balance, move your body. Even a 10-minute walk improves energy and hormone function. Weekly hormone sleep tracker. Track this for 7 days. Sleep duration, 7 to 9 hours. Time to bed. Energy levels. Next day, morning mood and motivation. Morning wood. It's a strong testosterone sign. Cravings or brain fog. Adjust based on what works best. Your body speaks when you sleep well. Want stronger workouts, better focus, and a powerful sex drive? Then stop skipping sleep and start optimizing it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more deep dive health content for men. Drop a comment. How many hours do you sleep? And how do you feel when you wake up? Let's talk about it and fix it together.